Hello, I'm Anton. Today is day 2 of the daily crypto installment program. As usual, I bought 20,000 Bitcoin, 20,000 Ethereum, and 10,000 XRP. See, the screen above shows a record of my Bitcoin, Ethereum, and XRP purchases on January 12th, 2025. Now, instead of staring blankly at the transaction record, let's talk a little about Bitcoin. What exactly is Bitcoin? Bitcoin is the world's first digital currency. Unlike regular money printed by banks, Bitcoin is not controlled by any single country or company. Bitcoin was created in 2009 by someone using the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto. His goal? To allow people to send money directly to anyone around the world, without going through banks or financial institutions. The number of Bitcoins is also limited. There will only ever be 21 million coins. That's why many people consider Bitcoin to be like digital gold. I don't fully understand all the technology myself, but I believe one thing. It's better to start little by little, learning slowly, than never starting at all. Oh yeah, you might be wondering, if Bitcoin is digital, where is it stored? Bitcoin is stored in what's called a digital wallet. There are two types: wallets built into apps and physical wallets that look like flash drives. But don't worry, for beginners like me, using a trusted app is enough to store and buy Bitcoin. The important thing is to keep your password and code safe, because if you lose it, it can't be reclaimed like an ATM card that can be reprinted. Bitcoin also can't be counterfeited, because every transaction is recorded in an open system called the blockchain. Everyone can see the data, but it remains secure and cannot be altered. That's why people are increasingly trusting Bitcoin. Even though its value fluctuates, the technology is strong and has proven to last for more than 10 years. For me personally, rather than just watching other people's success from afar, I'd rather start with what I can afford. 50,000 a day might be small, but if you keep collecting it, who knows? It could become something big. Okay, that's all for today. Look, my transaction recording is complete. For those of you who want to know how to make a transaction, you can watch my first day's video on January 11th, 2025. If you missed the explanation because you were busy watching the transaction, just replay this video. Also, if you enjoyed listening to the explanation but didn't have time to watch the transaction, just replay the video. Don't forget to subscribe so you can continue learning with me tomorrow. See you in the next video.